How is arbitration fair? Have you ever wondered how arbitration works in the world of car insurance claims? Specifically, how does it ensure fairness in disputes over collision and comprehensive coverage? Let's break it down. First, the selection of the arbitrator is a key factor. Both insurance companies involved in the dispute agree on an arbitrator. This person is usually a retired judge or an experienced attorney. Because both sides have a say in who the arbitrator is, this helps keep the process neutral and fair. Next, the arbitration process is structured to give each party an equal chance to present their case. Each insurance company can make opening statements, examine witnesses, and submit evidence. This could include police reports, photographs, and medical records. Both sides can challenge each other's evidence, which helps ensure a balanced evaluation. Another important aspect is efficiency. Arbitration is generally faster and less expensive than going to court. This is especially helpful for auto insurance claims, where timely compensation is often critical. A quicker resolution means less stress for everyone involved. Insurance companies are also legally required to act in good faith during the claims process. This means they must investigate and evaluate claims fairly. If an insurer does not act reasonably, they could face legal consequences. This adds an extra layer of accountability and fairness to arbitration. Once all evidence and arguments are presented, the arbitrator makes a binding decision. This means the decision is final in most cases, providing a clear resolution without prolonged disputes. The arbitrator applies the facts and the law impartially, ensuring the outcome is based on merit rather than negotiation. Additionally, there are protections against bias in the selection of arbitrators. While insurers may suggest arbitrators they prefer, claimants can also recommend their own. If disagreements arise, legal motions can help ensure a fair arbitrator is chosen. This process helps maintain a level playing field. In practical terms, arbitration offers a fair way to resolve disputes over comprehensive coverage claims. This includes claims for damages from events like theft or natural disasters. By allowing both parties to present their evidence before an impartial decision-maker, arbitration avoids the delays and costs of court while upholding principles of fairness in insurance claim resolution.